Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use PhonePe to transfer money to a bank account. I'll walk you through everything from installing the app and creating your account to adding a recipient, entering payment details, and completing the transfer, plus a few tips to avoid mistakes and speed up delivery. Start by installing the PhonePe app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then open it and enter your mobile number. You'll get an OTP to verify the number, so type that in when it arrives. After verification, follow the prompts to add basic account details. PhonePe will automatically link any bank account already associated with your phone number. If your bank isn't automatically linked, you can add it manually later during the transfer flow. Once you're inside the app, find the transfer area and choose the option to send money to a bank account or UPI ID. If you plan to send to a bank account, tap the Add Bank or Add Account option and enter the recipient's details carefully. You will need the full bank account number, the account holder's name exactly as it appears on their account, and the IFSC code for the branch. Double-check spelling and numbers because bank transfers can't be reversed if you type the wrong account details. After adding the recipient, confirm the entry. PhonePe will usually show a summary screen with the account name derived from the bank details, so you can verify you've targeted the right account. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you type the amount in digits and check it twice. You can also add an optional note or message for the recipient if you want to include a reference for the transfer. When you're ready, tap the Send or Pay button. PhonePe will prompt you to enter your UPI PIN to authorize the payment. Enter your UPI PIN carefully. This is the password that confirms you own the account and approves the transfer. After submitting the PIN, the app will process the payment. In most cases, the transfer completes instantly, especially for UPI or immediate bank transfers. But sometimes bank-to-bank transfers can take a little longer depending on the receiving bank's processing windows. Once the transaction is successful, PhonePe shows a confirmation screen with a transaction ID or reference number. Save or screenshot that confirmation in case you need to track the payment or share details with the recipient. You can always view your past transactions in the My Money or History section of the app to double-check status, timestamps, and fees. If a payment is pending, the app will show the pending status and typically resolves within a few minutes to a few hours. If it's still pending after a long time, contact PhonePe support or your bank with the transaction reference. Asterisk. That's everything you need to know to transfer money to a bank account using PhonePe. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials and money app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.